All right, so we got, what, 10 minutes into our trip and we're already broken down. Tell us what's up. What happened? Come on, Paulie.
Bearing is fucked. The U-joint's gone.
Gone, huh? Let's take a look what we're dealing with right here. See that end cap? The end cap came loose. We had a small vibration. We didn't know what it was. And clearly, that's what it was. So we're going to see if we can jerry-rig something here. Right, Jake?
Yep.
You know, luckily we got a spare axle here with a drive shaft, a half shaft on her. It's trying to get the retaining tabs back right now. All right, you getting it here, Mike, or
we
what?
We just need this piece here.
Give her a little half shaft, you know what I'm saying?
You need a hammer.
Yeah, hand work.
Let's get a shot in there. Look at that rust. That ain't gonna stop us. Look at that. Let's go. Always bring tools with you. It's probably still not enough tools. We'll probably run into something else, but we'll see. Right, Johnny?
Yeah.
All right.
I want to use this.
Here, use this as a hammer right here. That'll work.
Let's get him out.
Watch us get smacked from behind at 50.
Yeah. Right. You gotta be fucking careful.
All right, now you gotta pry that fucker off. Smack that cap a few times, but with the wrench, the cap. Break it loose a little bit.
Classic Ford driving by.
Hey, Mike, if we could get it,
Oh, it's moving.
I could call a teacher. I don't know if he's available or
No,
not.
don't worry
You got it off.
about it. Then we need that piece though, I think. Unless we
Blast
could,
that fucking
or we could just fucking send it without any end cap. Just put this on it.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. So look.
It's fucked.
No. Look. So there's this other piece of the U-joint, but we could just send it with this on the end to hold it in, just to hold it in.
Oh,
I want to do that.
Let's try to get this out first.
Do you think?
Yeah. Get that cap off. Get that cap.
There you go. Just fucking blast it through.
What do you mean?
There's one more cap.
Fucking
There's one
get
more
this
cap.
off. It's not a cap. That's a cap.
What do we need?
That doesn't need to come off.
Yeah.
It's this cap right here.
Look, I think
There's a
this,
cap right there.
I think this has. Wait, look in here. I want to see what it looks like.
We don't have
Keep turning.
We didn't bring the best tool, a hammer. We don't have a hammer.
We can get that out, and we need that piece out. Hit it with the back end of
We
the.
need to get this side off too.
There we go. See if it'll move. No, I ain't gonna move.
That's the retaining cap.
No, that's not gonna move. We need something harder.
Hold on, Mike. We can't use this. There's no needles in this. There's no.
I know, but it'll hold it. It'll keep the clearance a little less.
We're gonna do the same thing as this one. Okay?
Yeah, but there's no needles in it, anyways.
There's no needles in the bearing. So the drive shaft's just gonna do this.
All right. This is on, right?
Got
a torch.
All the way left of each. All right, thank God I had a torch.
We gotta do this quick.
I would go on the inside because it's thinner metal.
No. What you want, Michael?
It's outside.
When you heat it up, it's the outside.
Come on, just heat it.
You don't have to hold it. You gotta work around.
No, this bitch ain't coming out.
No, who knows?
Don't need a 1-inch or a 12 mil anymore.
Hit it with the torch. You'd be surprised what heat can do.
Oh yeah.
Literally just falls right out.
Let's see it real quick. While we're at it here, this wood, you just take some used motor oil, mix it with half used motor oil and half diesel, coat it. Works the best. Not even oily.
All right, heating her up. Heating things up here, boys. 10 minutes into the trip. Come on.
Dude, we were wondering what the fuck that noise was. We should have stopped it.
Yeah, you guys
checked it out.
CB radioed me. 30 miles an hour, I got a slight vibration here. Oh, just send it. Look what happened.
Next time, if there's a vibration or a weird thing that's not normal, go check it out.
We better be stopping.
Go check it out.
Hey, I don't think the socket's coming out.
What? Is it stuck? Okay, just take a screwdriver.
Yeah, show them what we're using as a punch here.
We got a small socket and a big socket, and then an extension.
All right, let me hit it.
And so I'll heat it up now and see if it. That's our hammer.
Distant video of this guy hitting this thing.
That's our hammer there. All right, hold on.
Oh, harder than that. Come on. Come on, hit that shit like a man. Jake, you want to try it? Yeah, let the big guy try it. Let Daddy try it.
We got him using it now. He's a little bit bigger
Where you hit it from?
than him. There you go. Just use the weight of it. Let it drop it on.
No, fucking use your muscles. Let's go! Keep going, keep going! Keep going.
We need that extension.
Oh,
we need
let's
another
go.
extension.
Fuck.
Oh, here. Fucking send this shit. Hold that shit in there.
Oh, yeah.
Stick it in. Oh, quick.
Oh, shit. I'm not holding it.
Fuck.
There we go. All right, go ahead. One more hit.
Hold on.
Wait.
One
All
more.
right, hit it. Come on, Jake.
Angle it this way, yeah.
All right.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Come on, your aim's not that good. Come on.
What did I do?
Keep going.
Keep it on the wrong side.
Whoa! So, you got it out. It's a little hot.
I give a shit about this right
Oh, yeah, it's hot. It's warm.
See, that's I usually when I need something out, I say, all right, put the big guy on it. Put the big guy on it.
I got
right?
wipes in the truck.
Yeah, here's the Kenworth. Here's the parts we got. Show you what's wrong with it.
I hope that's gonna fit. You want to put grease in it first?
So we got a cap on the top. That's gonna slide in there.
And have to grease that thing up.
No cap on the bottom. So. This will go in here. Hopefully we don't get hit by any cars. And then we'll bolt her on. Storage.
What'd you say? What'd you say, Paul? What?
Slow the fuck down.
Back on the road. And vibration's all gone. It's not fixed perfectly, but enough to, we still got 2 hours, 20 minutes left, so keep her slow. He's sleeping.
Drop it?
No gym today, huh, Johnny?
What?
No gym today.
No, none.
Go ahead.
Drop it. No gym today.
Nope. The hose clamp's gonna work?
This is the good old redneck way of doing things on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
That's going to cinch it right down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bud.
Oh, yeah, bud.
Mint?
Fuck you, Paul.
Are you going to have to lift it back up, though? Not in a second.
DOT safety inspector, bitch.